What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick hack that I discovered and I wanted to get it documented. So here it is. These are J-bolts that come off your gas tank straps on your XJ. To buy these new replacements are about $40. And I was looking for an alternative route, read a couple of forums, and this is what I discovered. All right, so here we go. These are J-bolts, just like the ones that we have. But these are a Freightliner battery tie-down bolt. It is a little smaller, but as you can see, they fit. So what I did is I bolted it onto the strap and pushed them up into the slot here. I do have a few more parts that I need, so I just set that in there. I wanted to get my gas tank out of the way. I have pretty much all the parts for the gas tank inside the gas tank, hoses and things like that. So just wanted to get it out of the way. I wanted to show you that hack, and hopefully that helps. Thanks, guys.